You can have a smart home and still waste time on tiny chores, checking locks, second-guessing the garage, or walking back for a light switch. Today is 15 upgrades that turn those micro-frictions into routines you actually feel, with setup notes so you know what's worth it. Welcome to CircuitPeek. Peek into what's next. Keys are fine until your hands are full, your phone is dead, or you just want the door to open now. ULTRALOQ Bolt Smart Lock is built for fast entry with a fingerprint-first unlock, plus a keypad for backup. It also leans into modern compatibility with built-in Wi-Fi and Matter over Thread, so you can fit it into Apple Home, Alexa, or Google without picking sides. The real win is arrive and enter speed, with remote control as a bonus. The garage door is the one place you never want to assume is closed after you leave. SwitchBot Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Opener adds quick phone control and status checks to many standard openers without replacing the whole motor unit. Matter support makes it easier to tie into arrival and departure routines, like auto-close reminders or a quick check before bed. Treat it like an upgrade to your routine, not just a gadget. Just verify compatibility and placement during setup. A video doorbell only matters when it's reliable, because deliveries and visitors don't wait for reboots. Google Nest Doorbell, wired, 3rd generation, is a wired option aimed at steady power and a clean Google Smart Home flow. The practical outcome is simple. See who's there, respond faster, and stop reactive checking by letting alerts come to you. It's also one of the easiest products to show on camera with real clips and notifications. Installation depends on wiring fit, so plan that part. Indoor cameras feel less like security and more like peace of mind when you place them where questions happen: pets, entryways, or the living room. Google Nest Cam Indoor, wired, 3rd generation, is a straightforward visibility tool for those zones. The daily payoff is reducing uncertainty. A quick check-in when you're out, or a glance at activity when something sounds off. Keep it realistic. Placement, privacy choices, and a wired run all matter as much as the camera itself. If you're already in Google's ecosystem, it fits cleanly. Outdoor coverage is where good enough cameras start to feel unclear, especially on driveways and side yards where you want detail, not guesses. Arlo Pro Security Camera 2K HDR is a premium leaning option designed for sharper visibility and a more polished setup. The value is decision-making, a clearer view when something triggers an alert, and better context when you review activity later. It's a strong late list pick because the footage sells itself. Just consider placement, power, and whether a subscription fits your preferences. If your alerts live on your phone, you miss them when it's across the room, especially doorbell rings or quick motion events. Eufy Smart Display E10 is an 8-inch control panel that pops up live views and door alerts, so the "who's there" moment is hands-free. You can watch multiple camera feeds at once, then tap into events without hunting through apps. When paired with the right eufy ecosystem gear, it's built for quick daily summaries too. Treat it like a hub, great for kitchens, entry tables, or family spaces. Smart homes break down in the most boring way. Not enough outlets in the right spot, and too many bricks and chargers. Govee Smart Plug Outlet Extender gives you a multi-outlet setup with USB expansion, so one wall plug becomes a controllable power zone. The payoff is grouping and scheduling. Desk gear, media centers, lamps, and seasonal devices can all run on routines instead of manual taps. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of upgrade you feel every day. Do load planning and keep it accessible, not buried behind furniture. Quick check. Are you building a security-first smart home or a comfort and convenience smart home? Drop what you want next. Smart lighting, home hubs, or productivity tech, and I'll shape the next list around that. Desk setups get stale fast, and most smart displays look like the same rectangle. Divoom times Gate is different. It's a cyberpunk desk clock with 5 full-color pixel screens you can run with animated art or real-time dashboards. It connects over 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi through the app, so you can swap themes, stats, or community designs without messing with settings every day. Expectation break. It needs continuous power because there's no built-in battery. If you want a permanent, always-on vibe for gaming or office space, it's a standout visual. Sometimes the best smart tech isn't complicated. It's a small light that makes routines easier to follow. Echo Glow is a multicolor lamp that works with Alexa, so you can change brightness and color by voice, or tie it to simple routines. The useful trick is visual timing. Use color shifts as a cue for cooking, focus sessions, or a wind-down routine without staring at a screen. It also plays well with gaming or movie nights as soft ambient light. Setup is intentionally simple, which makes it a good, giftable pick. Blenders usually fail in one of 2 ways. They're too weak for ice, or too annoying to clean, so you stop using them. Ninja Blendboss is built as a travel-first personal blender with a 26-ounce tumbler and a leak-proof flip cap for carry. The 1,200 peak watt motor base is aimed at frozen drinks and smoothies. And Auto IQ programs handle the blend pattern so you're not guessing. The outcome is more consistent results with less friction, especially for work, gym, or hikes. Dishwasher-safe parts help it stay in rotation. Dry air is one of those invisible problems. Until you wake up congested, your plants droop, or the room just feels off. The Akacozie Warm and Cool Mist Humidifier is a large-capacity top-fill unit built for bigger spaces, with both warm and cool mist modes. It adds practical controls like multiple mist levels, an auto humidity target, timers, and auto shut-off when water runs low. Some versions include a remote and an aroma tray for light scent. Treat coverage and cleaning as the real buying factors, not just tank size. Home safety tech only works if it's easy to read and hard to ignore. NICGOL 4-in-1 gas leak detector and carbon monoxide detector plugs in and shows live readings on an LCD, plus temperature and humidity. It's designed to alarm with sound and flashing light when levels hit its thresholds after an initial calibration. The value is having one device near a kitchen, utility area, or RVV outlet. So, is something wrong? Becomes a signal. Use the test button and follow setup steps so you trust what it reports. A floor lamp is usually just there. Nanoleaf Matter Smart Floor Lamp is more like a programmable atmosphere tool, especially for gaming rooms, home offices, or living spaces that shift moods. Matter support helps it slot into mixed ecosystems, so scenes can sync across platforms instead of locking you into one app. The practical win is quick scene changes, bright focus, warm wind down, or color accents for entertainment. Think about placement and brightness expectations before you buy. Lighting is only impressive when it fits the room. Outdoor lighting is one of the fastest ways to make a home feel upgraded, if it's reliable enough to live outside year-round. Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights 2 is a long RGBIC run built for scenes, holiday looks, and everyday accent lighting, with smart control through the app and voice assistance. The selling point is variety, scene modes, DIY patterns, and smooth color effects that look intentional, not random. Practical note, installation matters, and the segments can't be cut, so measure your roofline first. Once it's up, it's a set and forget vibe. TV backlights are everywhere, but most don't actually match what's on screen. They just glow. The FFJ TV LED Backlight with sensor uses a top-mounted sensor to read screen color and push matching light behind a 55 to 65-inch setup. The result is a more immersive feel for games and movies, plus ambient light that reduces the harsh black room effect. You get app control, scene modes, and music sync, and the strip length is designed to fit common TV sizes. For the strongest effect, it shines best in a dimmer room. If you want, I can make a follow-up list that's renter-friendly or setup-heavy. Your call. Tell me which upgrade you'd install first, and which one felt most practical. Links are in the description, and affiliate links help support the channel. Peek into what's next. Want to see more? Check out the video on the left, or check out the Smart Tech Products playlist on the right.